Hello and welcome to Make It in Minutes Monday. Happy Monday, everybody. This is Nancy with Stamping Before Anything Else. And today we're going to make a fun, quick card. It's actually inspired by a layout that we did with the Double Wonder class that we did on Friday night. And but we just switched it up a little bit with the measurements. And but super simple card today. We're going to be using the Warm Hugs and Warm Wraps dies. And this is found on page 9 of the August through December 2020 catalog. Lovely, sweet. There's so many cute things in here. We're going to be using the Real Red trim, braided linen, and the DSP, and of course the stamps and the dies. So basically, we're going to do some stamping to start off with. We're going to be using our cup and the filler. And then we're going to be using the Eat, Drink, and Be Cozy. And then on this one, it says Warm Hugs all season long. So we're going to get started with that. So we're going to use Real Red. All the measurements and everything that you need will be put on our blog. But this piece is going to be going on the inside. It measures 4 by 5 1/4. We're just going to stamp this up with the Real Red. And then we're going to do a couple little cups going along the side. Just a couple. All right. Now for this piece right here, I'm going to stamp off on a scrap piece of paper and we're going to fill it in. I did go ahead and cut these out ahead of time. Now the other pieces that you're going to be using for die cutting are going to be this big circle right here that we did in the Real Red, and then this fun shaped one here we did in the Mossy Meadow, and then of course here is our cup die. All right, so now we're just going to go ahead and get this assembled. These pieces measure 3.5 by 1.5, so we're just going to go and get our card base. And we're going to start with the inside first. Now for the outside, we're going to lay this. Now we're going to start with our little designer series paper. Now we're ready to put this piece together. And we're actually going to pop these up on dimensionals. Put a little bit of adhesive on the back. There, and we need a glue dot to put our cute little ribbon that I tied up ahead of time. And last but not least, we're going to add a little bit of rhinestones. And these can be found in the annual catalog. All right, and there we have it. What a cute little card, huh? Quick, easy. The one part that just takes the longest is just doing the die cutting. But after you get that stamped and ready to go, you got a quick card. So thank you so much for joining us this Monday. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more projects like this. And be sure to visit our blog, and you'll find all the measurements and supplies used for this card. So thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.